Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost the Freelancer. Here is a much awaited qualifier video for Amazon Search Relevance Evaluation English. I hope this video helps you out and I hope we pass this one. By the way, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. For you to join, you have to subscribe to this channel and answer the relevant membership questions. So for this one, there are 10 pages of theory and test questions, which you can find at the bottom of each page. Some questions are theoretical and some of them are practical. All the questions are related to a current page and information which you can find there. Now, please note you need to answer all the questions correctly to pass this test. When at least one of them is incorrect, you receive an error message. In this case, you need to check your answers and compare them with a hint. Let's continue. Number two, imagine that you are shopping on Amazon. You will see a search query and optional category selected, and one or more products to be judged for relevance to that query. You will need to use one of four labels for each product you see. So we have exact. This this product fully satisfies the query. A broad or ambiguous query could be satisfied by any of a diverse set of products, so long as it is reasonable to expect that a customer who entered that query might buy that product. A very specific query will only be satisfied if the product matches all the characteristics included in the query. Availability, okay, hold on a sec. Is this phrase correct? We choose exact label to underline the product is not the one intended, but it could be useful to the customer. Availability makes the product exact despite the change in ASIN. The query have multiple meaning and SIN that is exact for any of the meanings should be judged exact. For many broad queries, the customer intent may be unclear. Multiple interpretations of the query could result in different judgment for ASIN. For example, scooter, offered product, here and after OP1 scooter. With battery, offered product, here and one after OP2 battery for scooter. Exact bundle. A product is being sold with normal accessories which are to be expected for that purchase. We do not consider it bundle. For example, an electric guitar being sold with a guitar case, a small amplifier, and a cord is normal. And all these accessories are normal expected with this type of product. Another example is when you buy an iPhone and earphones and a charging cable are included in the box. This is normal and not considered a bundle. Universal products are compatible with all model types, as the query doesn't specify a model, and universal products indicate compatibility with all models type as well. This can be an exact match rather. Universal phone case and ASIN phone iPhone 10 cases rating will be exact. In this praise, is this praise correct? We choose exact label to underline the product is not the one intended but could be useful to the customer. That's incorrect. Imagine a search query is dog diapers and an offered product is this one. Let's pull it up. Okay. Can we use exact label for this? No. Imagine a search query is bow tie and an offered product is this one. It's a bow tie. Can we use exact label for this? Yes. We I doubt the answer for number one. We choose exact label to underline the product is not the one intended, but it could be useful to the customer. If the query doesn't specify a model, multiple queries, if a query can have multiple meanings, scooter, multiple interpretations. Okay, I think we got that one right. Substitute. This product differs from one intended, but it is functionally equivalent. This will be the same type of product, but maybe differ by brand, model, color, title, or other detail. If the requested product is included in a bundle with other associated products, it is judged as substitute so long as it is reasonable that the customer may want to buy it together. All right, let's go here. Imagine a query is pants for 7-year-old girl and you need to evaluate these products. Which of them will be labeled as substitute? Pants for 7-year-old. It could be 7 and 9. Mm. I think it's 3 and 4. Hold on. Six pants for girls 6-year-old. No, 2 and 4. Is this price correct or incorrect? If a product is being sold with normal accessories, which are to be expected for that purchase, we consider it a bundle and label incorrect. Which of these pairs of products and queries will be labeled as substitute? Lenovo laptop, offered Acer laptop, battery wall decker, flower wall decker, pink gaming chair, off red gaming chair, a substitute, butterfly, flower. One, two, three. Number four, complement. Complement is not the one intended, but it could be useful to the customer like accessories. This is going to be self-explanatory. Imagine a query is a bouquet of roses. Which of these products could be labeled as a complement? Uh, Bouquet of roses to accessory, a component, replacement part, or even another item designed to be used with the product. I think it's vase for flowers. Choose the correct answer. We use complements label when search query contains a single product and the offered product is the same single product. No, we use complement label when we search when when the search query contains a single product and offered product is a bundle with the product from the query and any other product. No, we use complement label when the search query contains multiple products and the offered product is a single product from the query. Uh, and the offered product is the same single product. I think it's. I'm not sure. Let's move on to the next. Is this phrase correct? If a product satisfies a reasonable understanding of the customer's intent, we label it as irrelevant. If the product, if the customer satisfies a reasonable, that's incorrect. Imagine a search query is wedding dress and the offered product is a tennis dress. Can we say this product is unsuitable? Wedding dress, yeah. Imagine a search query is Halloween and offered product is a shirt with pumpkins. Can we say this product is unsuitable? No. Okay. Choose a query which is unjudgeable. I think this one. In which situation we say a query is unjudgeable? Uh, cannot be judged either because the query cannot be understood. Uh, there is a clear way. There is a site. The query is not the products. It has. I'm not sure about this, but let's move along. Which of which information is insufficient for a query? Query wonderful new violet cotton blouse. 5 pack men's shirt, Samsung, iPhone. Wonderful. Hold on. Always disregard any mention of price, shipping, sales, promotions, Amazon Prime, quantity, condition, example, refurbished, or subjective terms mentioned in the query. For example, best. Which information is insufficient for a query? Wonderful new violet cotton blouse. It's going to be wonderful new. Number 9. Imagine a search query is dog and there are three offered products. Shampoo for dogs. Which product will be complimentary? I think it's shampoo for dogs. Uh, in each in each marketplace, queries like domestic animal should be judged based on, okay. Number 9, misspelled queries. Queries which are misspelled may have multiple interpretations depending upon which letters are substituted, and spell correction offered may or may not be accurate to the customer's intent. If this query is unclear, consider all common misspellings as different interpretations for the query. You can use Google local search engine. If marketplace is judged in India, the Google should be google.in, or Amazon search to identify common spell corrections. If a word is spelled correctly and clearly a product query, then do not consider misspellings. Which of these queries is misspelled? This one. Which of these queries is not misspelled? Not misspelled. This one. Number 10. Imagine a search query is Brad Pitt and an offered product is this Burn After. For books, includes music game genres in movies are the primary judgeability criterion. If genres don't match, ASIN should be marked as irrelevant. No, yeah, it's a no, definitely. When the query is of a specific genre, then other media that are not in the same genre, the judgment is substitute. Genre. Let's find that. Complements in media, anthologies, books. When the query is okay, when the query is of a specific genre, then other media that are in the same genre, the judgment is substitute. When the query is a specific, yeah, it's correct. Last question. Imagine a search query is toothache and the offered product is this. How can we label it correctly? I think it's going to be exact. Let's submit it. All right, we have problems here. Question number 4. Hint. We use complement label when search query contains multiple products, and offer products is a single product from the query. Number 1 is the wrong answer, so I'm not sure if that's it. Question number 1. Hey, hint. Question number 1. Which of okay. Question number. Let's submit it again. Let me copy. Let me just go ahead and get a screenshot of this. Question number 1 is vase for flowers. We use complement label when search query contains multiple products. Okay, this is the answer. And this one is vase. All right, moving on to the next. Question number 1. It seems not all the answers are correct. Please check them. There is a site address in the query. Okay, it's giving us the answers already. Number 10. Question number 1 is yes. Let me submit it. Question number 1. Okay, let's submit it. I think we pass it. So that is again the qualifier for the task called Amazon Search Relevance Evaluation English. Wow, it pays $21.37. That's the maximum earning for this. I hope this video helps you out. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. Please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel for more videos and hit those notification bells. Thank you and have a good day. Bye for now.